The retail giant Target has put itself right in the middle of a national debate about restroom use and gender.
And only here on the Now, we're hearing from a Target employee who raises a new concern in the midst of this controversy. So rattled by the cloud of controversy surrounding Target that he doesn't want to show his face.
But for starters, I don't want to get fired.
But this longtime employee of Target, who is not transgender, says he needs to say something.
I want to speak up for the team members because they're going to be affected.
He's worried about this, a petition by the American Family Association to boycott Target, now surpassing 1 million signatures and counting. It comes after Target put out this statement on its website, saying transgender Target employees and shoppers can use whichever restroom they prefer, based on what gender they identify with. The AFA has bolded on its petition page, Target's policy is exactly how sexual predators get access to their victims.
I agree with Target.
He says he didn't even know Target had a stance on the issue until he heard about it on the news and on my Facebook page. It's a stance he agrees with, but one taking a toll if this new poll by YouGov Brand Index is any indication. It shows the number of people who said they'd consider shopping at Target the next time they needed something from a department store has dropped from 42% to 38%. Those numbers, plus mounting signatures, add up to concern for this Target employee, concern for what will happen if too many people actually stop shopping at his workplace. He wonders if petition signers have thought about the repercussions.
I'm worried that it will cost jobs. I'm wondering if they care about families or they care about families of team members that lost their jobs.
It's a concern he's sharing with us, even though he hasn't heard any discussions of layoffs at Target. I reached out to Target and asked, is there any potential for layoffs because of this brewing boycott? Target would not answer that question directly and said in an email they just want to leave it at this, the statement on its website. Back to you.